Come test drive the 2016 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.